Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening. Whatever part of the world you're joining me from. It's such an amazing moment once again to go into today's class and look into something for us today. We're having a one-on-one session with Fakao Olawale. It has been an amazing moment together, and so far, and then we've delved into so many things. We look into so many stuff in the market. Where do we stop, guys? Where do we stop?
We stop support storm resistance, storm support.
Oh, awesome. Awesome. That was last
market shift.
Awesome. I love that. Okay, yeah, it's good. Aside from that, I also did a new topic entirely. I jumped into something else, which is what I called session timing. How to enter market is by session now. By session of the market. Yes, it's more or less like, how will I put it? Yeah, session of the market. That's more or less like entering. It's called more or less like entering. I thought it was about entering, how to target some how to enter the market in the right entries. So we did an enlightenment on that. Enter the market in the right entry. That was on Monday. I taught us how to enter the market, checking your time frame. And I use as an example your local market area as an example. That some local markets will always have their days of opening the market. Days of opening the market. And during that days of opening, everybody comes out. Everybody in the whole community comes out because of what? That day market will be cheap. And everybody will be selling their stocks. Everybody will display and exhibit whatever they have in that day. However, it doesn't invalidate other days that they will still come outside. So people are not, nothing you can do. They always love to come outside every day so they can sell something and eat. Am I talking here? So they can sell something and eat. So at least and eat for their so they can't afford not to come outside every day. But that day is not always what the market day. Same thing happens to the market as well. Everybody comes out, there will be an opportunity. That is what? The market time. When New York opens, it's an what? It depends like that. As it's booming, it's moving. That is it. It happens in the market as well. So I love to use real life examples. So whenever you forget, you can always pick out from the real life examples, and then inject it into the market so you can remember. Most of the classes we've held, most of them are backed up with real life examples, indicating our trend line, everything that I've taught you guys. So you can easily pick it up, you can easily remember what you're doing. That's why I use real life examples to explain to us. So even though you forget what you need to do, but if you remember the real life examples, you can easily direct yourself back. Am I talking, guys? Are we together?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think we took. It's not a Monday. Okay, Friday we took this buy. Monday we took this sell. Maybe so. Monday we took this sell. Monday we took this sell. I told you I was like, to definitely you buy. It was already showing top. We took this sell. What was it? I think we took this sell with some buy on Tuesday or so. I didn't remember. So I'm taking this possibly a sell now. It's not should sell possibly now. Go. Are you there, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me. The last week you have issues with head and shoulder as well. Let me have a paraphrase on head and shoulder, and then let me ask us questions about the last class before we proceed, because I really love that. So I won't be assuming that we know them. Firstly, let's start with head and shoulder. Let me see if you guys are grounded on that, fully grounded on that. And we do a review on what we did last week. All right, guys, pick it up for me. Let's go. 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 Head and shoulder. Let's go, guys. 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 Okay, don't let me use this one. No, don't worry. Let me use this. Let me use this. You guys. I've already pictured some things there for you. We are searching for potential head and shoulder. Okay, let me ask. Wale, what session is Tokyo session? What is the time they used to open? What's the time? Their opening time is what? I told us last class. What is the opening time?
Yeah, what?
Tokyo session.
The opening time. What?
The opening time of the market, when they opens. When they open. When
All markets.
Huh?
Which market? Which of
Tokyo.
What are you trying to-
TOKYO.
Tokyo session.
Yes.
Okay, but you don't tell us the exact time. We just say you don't tell us the exact time. But I guess it's during the morning, during the morning or something. Around 9 or something.
What about
No,
you,
sir.
Ayeni? What time does
1 a.m.
Huh?
1 a.m. I think
told you
around
guys.
1 a.m. midnight.
I told you guys, you didn't take notes. So Wale, write it down now. Write it down. That's what I asked you. I told you. You did go write it.
1 a.m. 1 a.m. every day.
Yes, 1 a.m. They open now. The market opens 1 a.m. Well, I told you. I said why they are in the midnight? We are. Why they are on their day? We are in the midnight. I told you guys. You didn't take notes. I know. I told you. Yeah. So write it down now. Tokyo session opened by 1 a.m. Why they are 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock by their time? As we are in the midnight.
Okay.
What about
so
city session?
That would be not 8 o'clock, but we will be in midnight by that time.
What do you say?
They will be in 8 o'clock, but we will be at midnight by that time.
Exactly. Yeah, it'll be like 8 o'clock or 7. Yeah, exactly. It'll be like 8 o'clock or 7. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, pick it up. Let's go, guys. Head and shoulder. Let me know if you're fine. Let me know so you can move.
Yeah. I know they said I'm so here. I'll be there.
I can see like two.
You can see like two.
Oh yeah, pick it up. Let's see, sir. Yeah, let's see, sir.
Rest.
The first one, like around the last cycle level.
Okay, this one.
Last.
Let me do my cycle level.
Yeah.
Let me put cycle level. You do this one, Abby? Let me do my
Yeah, that one.
Let me do my cycle level down to the downside so you guys can pick. So you just use the listen to pick up cycle levels. Oh yeah. Yeah, use cycle level to pick. Yeah. Come back to you guys.
The last cycle level I told you about.
This one, Abby?
No, up higher.
This one.
Yeah,
this one.
That's the end over. Down.
This one, Abby?
Down.
This
down.
one.
No.
This one.
Yeah. Down.
Down. This
you
one.
See the twins, something like that. Yeah, up.
The what? Up. This one.
Up. We
This
have
one.
move to the left or to the right.
This
Right.
one.
Okay.
Right. This one. This
We
one.
are down.
This one.
Down.
This one.
Yeah, that's the head.
Okay, sir.
And shoulder should be on the cycle level of 1.1 1.71007.
1.7.
1.7107. Yeah,
This
around
one.
there. Down.
This one.
Down.
This one.
Yeah.
This
Yeah,
one.
exactly.
This one, Abby.
No.
This one.
No.
This
Yeah,
one.
that one.
Okay. The other one.
Yeah.
Okay. By side. Okay.
Yeah. And another one.
Okay.
Yeah. The highest point.
Where?
Although the shoulder is not that clear, but it's not that clear. Let me use this one. The highest, sir.
Yes, this one, Abby.
Yeah.
This one,
No,
Abby.
the second one.
This one.
No. Yeah.
This one.
Exactly.
Okay.
No, not that.
Which one? This
Not
one.
that one. Yeah. That one.
Okay.
Where is your mouse, sir?
My mouse is here. Where is the shoulder?
Okay. Higher. Go higher, sir.
This one.
That's the head right there.
That's the head. This is the head, Abby.
Yeah. That's the head.
This is the head. And where is shoulder?
Yeah, right there. Up.
This is the shoulder,
Up
Abby.
a bit.
This one.
Yes,
Where?
sir.
This one is shoulder, Abby.
Yes, sir.
Where is the
Up.
other shoulder? This one.
Yeah, exactly.
This
The
is
other
shoulder.
shoulder is on the. The
Down.
other shoulder is on the other. Yeah.
Okay.
And there's one potential one like that.
Okay.
There's another one too, but the both are not that clear, so I will go with the first one.
Which other one again?
The second high.
This one.
The second highest.
This one.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Where is shoulder?
And the shoulders are below the side level. The side level.
This one. Are you there?
The shoulders are below the side level a bit.
This one.
Yeah,
Abby?
higher a bit.
This one.
Higher a bit.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Down. Yeah.
Down.
Below the side level. Yeah. Higher a bit. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. It's okay. So the second one is here, Abby. Yeah.
Higher.
Yeah.
Coach, you know now.
Yeah. You need to tell me. Yeah, Abby. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Abby.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Well, do you go with him?
Yeah.
All of those topics, pick or you have your own.
I don't see any head and shoulder here. I don't see any glaring head and shoulder here.
But you don't think you see anything that is clear to you as head and shoulder, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's check it out. We only have one valid head and shoulder here. One valid, which is just this.
Is that what Mr. Yeni pick?
Yeah, which is just this. Others are not, because if you go by that, you'll be wrong a lot in the market. This is M pattern. This is M pattern already. It shows the 4 though. Shey, does your head have 2 head? I mean, does your head has a shape that all this one we see for movie? They say they are one though, and they have 2 heads. They have two heads. They are joined together. And they couldn't approach them so that you can separate. They are twin though. All this kind of twin.
Don't you know I'm conjoined? Don't you know I'm conjoined?
You don't see them before?
Yeah,
what do they call them?
It happens.
Conjoined twin, right? Conjoined twins, right?
Coach.
Yes, sir.
Coach, I'm a
Yes, sir.
conjoined twin, so
It's okay.
I have to read.
Okay. Okay. You can see that those ones, they are quite abnormal. Unlike the regular people, that you
Yeah.
see that they have one head. So this is just an head, and this is your shoulder. Shoulder, most times shoulder are always what? Balanced, equal. And we have told us sometimes we could have a double ones here, a single or double one as well. So this is the double and this is a single. Mark by market goal. And of course, you should always place your stop loss at the top of your this. You can put allowances here, you can put it here, anyone you want to do. This should be like around 30 something pips or so. This should be around 30 something pips or 20 pips or 30 pips or so. Then you target what 60 pips, and the market goes on more than 60 pips, up to like 90 or 100 pips. So that is it, guys. Let's see.
So you still need to tell us like the pips we will be expecting if you see a solid data swing under each time frame.
It's not about the pips you should expect. I always told you, once you are looking at your stop loss, if you have 20 pips stop loss, you can have 40 pips. At times, market might not give you that. If you see that market is doing something, a rejection, you opt out, you run away.
Yeah, exactly, sir.
But if it is not, you still stay and hold. But it depends.
Sir, do you remember the trade you gave us? Do you remember the trade you gave us on Monday?
Okay.
That AUD something.
Okay.
As soon as I saw that he was the trade was respecting the trend line, I opted out because there is a trend line at the bottom.
Okay.
So he was respecting the trend line before it goes back up. So I already opted out.
Let me go to it. AUDUSD, this is sold extensively yesterday on Monday low. It sold extensively that Monday low. This is the trade I gave on Monday low. It's sold to this point. So this one is sold extensively low. Is this what I'm talking about? Let me open it. The one that we had a meeting on, is it this one? This cell is sold extensively low till this point. It's sold extensively low. On Monday, it's sold extensively.
I hopped out around.
Where?
Let me check my.
Okay, it's sold extensively low. I knew it would come around this. I told you that whenever a market is starting from what? From a start point of cycle level, most times it will end at what? The next cycle level. If you can still hold, you can really still hold more. Sometimes once you hit my target, I take partial profit, then break even on that one. Then I can still hold till we get to the end. Because sometimes you might get, I might not get to. Market is very funny, so it depends. If you can still hold it, you definitely get to what the next cycle level before any move can come. And see also, it did the same thing. From here, it start from here. Wale, are you following at all? I don't want to be lost though. Hello, sir. Are you following us?
I'm with you.
Yes, are you following us?
Yeah.
So when market start from the first cycle level, it comes to the world to the next cycle level. I told you this before. I'm not talking about cycle levels. That's why we plot on cycle levels. The market always move in those zones. Move from one cycle level zones to another, cycle level zones to another. So it always comes in that cycle levels. My screen now, it came to that cycle levels, then what it bounced back here. It did a lot of smart and the M pattern again, then fell. Can you see, guys? So that is how it works. Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So have you picked where you opted out? Maybe I should come to 15.
Yeah, like on the trend line, right on the trend line.
Let me come to so I can see. Let me come to 15 so I can see it. This is it here. This is here. Yeah, I think this is it here. Okay, now be this. Where do you offer? Where do you opt out?
On the trend line. On the trend line.
Where? This okay, twist the line.
Yeah.
Exactly. I entered all this thing later on. This one wasn't there before though. When I saw the movement, that's why I drew this one. Do this one. It's not on Thursday also. So there's no way you could have seen
but,
it.
Sir,
just draw this. Yes, sir.
I'm seeing something too. Like you are doing a very, very hard work. It's not easy to monitor all this. I can't bring everything all together. I have to pick the ones I will be looking at. Because just analyze this. When I'm finished, I'll be tired. I won't even see anything.
Yeah, I understand. At times it happens. At times, especially when you don't see something in the market, you get frustrated. Sometimes.
Yes, exactly. I just saw the system like
Yeah,
like
it happens.
on Thursday.
Okay, it's not
On
so.
Thursday, I was like, oh, fuck it, Jerry.
It's very
And
hard.
you'll be forced to enter market if you are not careful. Because you won't see your
Exactly.
setup and be like,
Exactly.
oh, this one too good now.
Those
And you
those
lose money.
they won't want to hear. Those who they don't want to hear. They will assume that their money is going. We didn't send them signal. They won't want to hear. I have to carry people like that. But for me, I will not trade. I won't mind. For those who they just want to be trading. Say, oh, Baba, even not trading sales it's also a strategy. But what you are keeping your money. Because if you are forced to enter and you go wrong, and you have lost. But I don't understand that for those who understand something in the market, I don't understand. Even though if you don't enter the market, it's also a trading. If you don't trade, it's also a trading. Well, because you don't lose, you won't lose. Your money stay with you. For those who don't understand this mindset of
Baby, give me water.
let me make money, they will always want to enter market. So at cost, we always ensure that at least we find at least one or two thing for them. Well, the market is not in a good form at all. It'd be like say, make you come by, make you go to market, and everybody where they say turkey, they no come on Sunday. So it will be forced to want to buy. You get want to buy even fish. Maybe so. You forced to where they want to chop fish. Am I talking though? That's how it works. You forced to buy something. That's how it works also in the market. I'm not talking. I want chop. You don't find. You don't waka. You don't see them. They don't come. Or Bobby talking, they strike. Or there are some push. They are not bringing stuff. Then they don't get. You get. So that's how it happens also in the market. You'll be forced to want to take a decision. All those guys don't understand. I don't know. But for me, once I see something, I don't trade for that day. When I see that, I don't trade. That's why I don't look at that. So, no, understand. It's just to make money. Sir, no cigar today. No cigar today. I don't look at that. No, not anything.
Yeah, I saw someone asking the question yesterday. I was like, are you seeing the markets?
I see your yeah. It is well, yeah, it is well. So I want to believe we are some extent good on head and shoulder substantially. I want to believe that you are good a bit on that anyway. I want to believe you are good on that. Yeah, that's a good review. I want to believe you are good on that. Okay. Wale, when does Sydney session opens? When does Sydney session open? Sydney section.
I don't know that one also. I don't know the time.
Okay, you can jot it down now, sir. 11 p.m. 11 p.m. Sydney opens by 11 p.m. Yeah.
Okay, what about London session?
That's by 8 p.m., sir. 8 a.m. 8 a.m. in the morning. 8 a.m. in the morning. It's like our own too. We have the same time with them.
New York
sometimes it's not like that, sir.
London, most times they have some. We are just 1 hour ahead of them. And they're just
New York session.
No, I mean London. No, I mean London session. And they're just 1 hour ahead of them.
I down. New York session is also there.
1 o'clock. That's 1 o'clock. 1 p.m.
1 p.m.
Yes, sir. 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Once we are one, they are around 7-8 for that side there.
Okay.
So they're just waking up and then we don't enter something already. Sometimes when we don't do Happy New Year finish, then they will see they do Happy New Year. It's okay, man. So let's make this short and then let's join the same link again. I don't want this to be too long. Let's join the same link again. So and then so you can go into the next class with that one.